Hi there, it's Amanda Creative Gardener. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pick papaya and pick my first one from a tree that I've had for roughly about 2 years, maybe 2.5 years. Okay, so come on, let's go. It's a real beauty. Okay, look at these beauties. So I'm going to be picking one of these today, and you can tell the one that I'm going to be picking is the one that's most yellow here, this one. This one looks like it's turning, but I'll give it a little bit longer. So essentially what you're supposed to do is grab it and an awkward angle here, grab it and twist. Woo! So this still needs ripening. I'd give it, say, maybe a few days, and apparently I should just stick it in a paper bag and with an apple or a tomato or a banana, and it should ripen up. I made the mistake in the past of cutting it, like I've seen it like this and think, oh yeah, it's ripe, but it's still quite firm. So yeah, I'm going to give it a few more days to ripen. I'll have to curb my enthusiasm. And if we look at the others on the tree, this is probably the biggest. Oh, cobweb. I'm walking into cobwebs. And you can see the others up there. So the ones at the bottom are more ripe. And I guess as I take them off, it will give the ones at the top, let me just stand back a bit, it will give the ones at the top a better chance of filling out. But yeah, I'm really pleased with this is my first papaya from this particular tree. I've had this tree for about 2 years, and this is the first fruits that it's produced. Some of my smaller ones, let's just have a quick look at the dwarf one. I showed you a video of the my dwarf papayas, but they're producing fruit at a really young age. I only put these in, they've been in for about a few months and they're already producing fruit, which I guess is the good thing about them. But yeah, I'm very pleased with this, and I'll keep you updated with its ripening, and we'll do a taste test, see how sweet they are. They're all different varieties. Whenever we had brought papaya, I'd scatter some of the seeds around and see how they get on. So take care, and let me just put this down. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, it's about, let's see, 8 inches maybe. Okay, that's my papaya, and I will, yeah, as I say, keep you updated.